Jo. I'm the crew manager here at Meridian. I'm here to tell you why you should sign up for a crew account today. 1, we build your profile for you. Send us your CV and we'll take care of the rest. 2, we gather all the jobs for you, so you no longer have to go searching. If you see a job posted on Facebook, on LinkedIn, or any one of our competitors, the chances are you'll find it here. 3, we verify all your documents and all your work experience. We do this to give credibility to your profile. That way, when captains are searching for crew and they come across your profile, they know it's all information they can trust. 4, you can share your profile with any employer, even if they are on the Meridian database or not. We make it really easy for you to stay up to date with all your information. So, those are just a few of several of the amazing features that we have here at Meridian. Do yourself a favor and check out our website. Send us your CV to crew@meridiango.com.